What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing classic Rod Stewart, Sailing, or I Am Sailing. Alright, let's go. It's an easy lesson, easy chords except the intro. Standard tuning, let's put a cape on 4. I decided to do that so we don't have any bar chords. Nice open chords. Cool. Alright, let's go. G major. Song is in G major shape. 1, 2, 3. E minor. 1, 2. C major. 1, 2, 3. Back to G. And then second part, A minor. 1, 2, 3. E minor. A minor. Back to G, and always end on D, the turnaround. Alright, and the strumming, down, down, G, down, up, down, down, E minor, down, up, down, down, and C major, down, up, down, down, and G, A minor, to E minor, turn around, D major. I am sailing through the waters, through the sea. A minor to E minor. A minor to G. So that's the whole song. We have a guitar solo, and if you want to learn those chords, that's C major, E minor, D major, E minor, C to G, and then the end on D. Cool. And that intro, if you want to learn that, that's not for beginners, pretty hard. Grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the G string, 6 on the B string, and pick 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. And then move down and make that a G here. So that's 3, 3 on the B string, and pick 3, 2, 1, 2. And then you pick a D there, and back to G. And then second time, same thing up here. Up. And end on a D. And then grab that melody. Let's open D to 2E. I am sailing. Alright, nice. So, really quick, let's review the chords again. G major, E minor, C major, G major. First part. Second part, A minor, E minor, A minor, and G, and end on that D. Over and over. Cool, guys. And down, 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 up, down, down. I Am Sailing, Rod Stewart. Awesome. See you tomorrow. Take care. Be safe.